How to fix Messenger login error? You cannot use this feature right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this error pops up unexpectedly and blocks you from chatting or logging in, here is what you should do. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to check if it is a network issue. Next up, you need to force close Messenger. For this, swipe up from the bottom of your home screen and then swipe Messenger away to close it. Sometimes it could be an issue with the current version, so head over to your app store in order to update Messenger to the latest version. Sometimes it could also be the Messenger app cache issue, so for this, go to your device settings. After that, head over to your general. After that, go to the iPhone storage section. Search for the Messenger application and then tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload again. Once it's offloaded, you have to now reinstall the application. Next up, head over to your Messenger app, log in again, and your issue should be fixed. However, if your account was temporarily blocked, then in that case, you will have to wait until 24 to 48 hours in order to get your account unblocked. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.